How Starlink solves missed punches in industrial environments. In heavy-duty industrial environments, dirty, oily, or even damaged fingers are part of daily life. But when it comes to biometric attendance, these conditions often lead to one serious issue: missed punches. Problem statement. Workers dealing with dust, chemicals, burns, or gloves often struggle with fingerprint attendance systems. Missed in-out punches. Incorrect attendance logs. Payroll errors. Frustrated employees and overloaded HR teams. Starlink's innovative approach. Starlink Communication understands these ground-level challenges and offers a smart, contactless solution, the Bioface Reader. This advanced facial recognition system is designed to work even in the toughest industrial environments. Here's why industries across India trust the Bioface Reader. Contactless authentication, no need to touch the device. IR LED for night vision, works perfectly in low light or outdoor areas. Ultra-fast recognition, less than 1 second per scan. Anti-spoofing tech prevents fraud using photos or videos. Shift-friendly, perfect for multiple shifts and dynamic rotations. And with a 5 lakh transaction capacity, even large-scale factories are covered. PP wearing worker using RFID. Wearing helmets or PP kits? No problem. The Bioface Reader supports RFID Smart Card plus Face Dual Verification, so you never miss a punch, no matter the gear. Smart software support. And it's not just hardware. Starlink's software brings auto punch correction, real-time notifications, attendance regularization with approval flow. Smart tech that reduces manual errors and saves HR time. Pan-India support. With 70+ engineers and 10,000 corporate clients, Starlink ensures on-site support across India. Seamless device installation and training. Integration with HR payroll systems. 24/7 support and lifetime spare part availability. Trusted across industries. Automotive plants. Construction and cement firms, textile mills. Heavy engineering and tooling factories. In industrial settings, every punch counts. Switch to Starlink's Bioface Reader and say goodbye to dirty fingerprint errors forever. Contact us today and bring smart, reliable attendance to your workforce. Visit at www.starlinkindia.com.